Welcome, crafters, to the 12th day of Christmas YouTube Hop, and today is our final day, day 12. It's going to be bittersweet. I've been having so much fun making a lot of these Christmas crafts, and I hope that you all stay tuned because I'm going to have lots more crafts coming soon, and I can't wait to show you all. So, anyway, just want to let you know, I went to the Dollar Tree, and I found that they had in their party section these 6 silver plastic napkin rings, and I thought, okay, well, I need to finish up my rustic theme, so I'm going to make rustic napkin holders. So I'm definitely going to be using, again, my leftover scraps. I'm hoping I can get all of these done with these scraps that I have, and we'll go ahead and get started. Okay, so for this project, you're going to need 6 strips of paper that are 1 inch by 5.5 inches, and that's what I kind of figured would be a good measurement. And also, you're going to need some good clear adhesive glue, and this one is by Ultra Bond. The company is iCraft. So, first of all, I'm just going to take the edge of my bone folder, and I'm going to start kind of rounding this up here, and that'll just make it easier when I'm putting it on here. But I'm going to smooth this out real quick. Get my glue here. Oops. And for me, instead of doing the whole strip right away, I'm going to work a little bit at a time just so I can get it started. I'm just going to grab the edge of my... Guys, this project is so easy peasy. I love it. Oops. Hold on. I'm actually going to try this again. I'm going to wipe off the excess glue. And now I can go ahead and cover the rest here. And then just easily wrap it around. And I'm always trying to pull it taut so that I don't have any air bubbles. And then I'm just going to burnish this in and wipe away any of the excess glue. And then now, voila! And now once I'm done, I can decorate. Another fun Dollar Tree design that goes from looking like 2 cents to something really super cute that you can use year after year. And so this is the finished little product. I think it turned out really cute. These were from Hobby Lobby. This is just in the Christmas crafts. They were little poinsettias, and I got them at 50% off, so they were only $1.50. You can't beat that. So anyway, guys, basically from, you know, trash to treasure is what I call it. I think it'd be really fun if you were trying to do your own wedding, or you're helping your daughter with her wedding, or your daughter-in-law, and you could do these up so many different ways, and they would end up looking gorgeous. It would just be amazing. Like, say you had a woodlands design, you could do little tiny wood sticks all the way around. It would end up looking really super cute. Anyway, this is just one of the ideas that I came up with. So Christmas on a budget definitely is right up my alley. I hope you all have a wonderful and fabulous day, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also visit the other channels down below, as today is our last day and we will be doing our drawing pretty soon. So hope you all have a wonderful holiday, but I'll definitely be back anyway with more crafts. So talk to y'all later. Bye.